Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your purchase could not be completed. Contact iTunes Store Support to complete this transaction. So if you find this kind of error in your App Store while you purchase anything from the App Store, an app or anything like that, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this tab, and after that, the first thing you have to check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi can be restarted. Moreover, you can also restore your Wi-Fi router. So the next thing you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to click on that, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and here what you have to do, you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after that, if you have tried all and nothing working, the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go for check for your payment method, which means there is a problem with your payment method, that you have not provided the correct payment method. And for this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on media and purchases, and after that you have to click on view account. And after clicking on view account, you have to wait for some seconds so that you can find this kind of interface. So here you have to click on manage payments, and here you have to check all your payment details, and you have to check whether you have provided correct payment method or not. If you have provided correct payment method, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to the iTunes Store Support as written in the error. So you have to report that problem to iTunes Support so that they can solve it for you. So after that, if the problem is still there, then you can also go for the Apple Store, Apple Support, so that you can go for the solution and check whether you are only facing the problem or other person also facing the same. So you can get the solution there. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.